Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on SushiSwap.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, it will be about SushiSwap today. And everything said in this video will not be financial advice, okay? And this is just our opinion of where we think SushiSwap can go and what we think overall of the project.
Sorry for the absence of a week. We're back now, so yeah, enjoy future videos, and let's get straight to the video. So as you can see, it's got quite a high market cap, but for the price, it's very small. And as you can see, only about half of the supply have actually been released, so there's more to release, so therefore the price will go down bit by bit by its release, but that'll be bought up, so it's all fine. It's good for the long term. You want to get in early before this. Its all-time high was $23, so that means its market cap was about 2.6 to 2.8 billion dollars. So we need about another 1.3 billion dollars to flow into SushiSwap, which actually isn't that much for what SushiSwap does. But then again, for the price, I guess it is, because there's not many SushiSwap as you would get. But for it to go back to, what was it, $23, so we get a nice 2x out of it if it did. But for $1.3 billion, I'm not sure if that's too likely.
It is also a decentralized finance application. So for everyone that is currently on Binance or Qcoin or any centralized application, this can be an alternative for you. And as SushiSwap grows, there will be more and more cryptocurrency that will be listed on SushiSwap. And yeah, in my opinion, decentralized is the way. Therefore, for everyone that's willing to get involved in SushiSwap, it could be a good start for you.
As you can see, they do pools and they do farms as well. So we're going to take a look at the farms. There's very high APRs. It's similar to PancakeSwap, but I don't think the APRs will be as high, but they're fairly similar. Compared to your bank, which is 0.1%, is very, very, very high. And of course, as the coin goes up as well, you'll be making money on that as well as APR. So it's very good. And these also are not staked. And I believe they are auto compounded. Yeah, I believe they are.
Yep. So as we can see on the SushiSwap website, there is a feature that you can lend and borrow cryptocurrency. Let's say you're holding a specific cryptocurrency, for example, Bitcoin. You can lend it out for a percentage gain. So let's say you want to lend out around £1,000 to someone that needs it, and for that specific amount of time, you can get maybe a 2% or a 3% lend bonus. But as you can see on here, you have to connect your wallet to see this. And this is very good in my opinion, because for the people that don't have the money or don't have the capital right now to actually borrow it, and yeah, there's also a section at the top called borrow. So as you can see, you can also borrow cryptocurrency. However, you will need to have a collateral. As you can see on the left-hand side, borrowing allows you to obtain liquidity without selling. Okay, so your borrow limit depends on the amount of deposited collateral. You'll be able to borrow up to 75% of your collateral and repay at any time with acquired interest. So if you have 1,000 USDT and you want to borrow 750 USDT, you will be allowed to. If it reaches more than 75%, you won't be allowed to. And this basically allows you to kind of farm and stake and use that $750 USDT on somewhere else, which in my opinion is very, very useful, especially the area that we are in right now. You can always use money to lend, borrow out, and make more.
Also stake their own coin, which is Sushi, for 4.95% a year. Obviously, this changes as the coin goes up and down in value, but it should be around 4.5, about 5% to 4.5% to 5.5%, around that. But you can view the stats and see how much it has been. So it hasn't even been the average. In fact, sorry, no, I was wrong. It's been 8%. That's the average, which is extremely good. But I wouldn't set my expectations at 8%, even though that's the average. I still set my expectations at 5%, which is still very good.
So as you know, this is a basic feature we do see on many decentralized applications, where you can swap your Ethereum tokens for any other token that is listed on SushiSwap. This is also a very good tool, because instead of using Uniswap, let's say Uniswap goes down for whatever reason, you can then connect your wallet to SushiSwap and you can then convert it. So it allows you for many different routes, because for example, decentralized applications allows you to do that, or centralized like Qcoin, you have to stick to the same app. While SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, MetaMask, Uniswap, all these other decentralized apps, they will allow you to kind of any website, if for whatever reason Uniswap needs to be upgraded or working for the day. So that's definitely something you should be wary of, which is great.
So this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really helps. And also make sure you press that notification bell, as we upload 3 times a week and you'll be notified whenever we upload, so you can stay in the loop. Thank you.